Денес ќе имате можност да го слушнете и разговорот по повод 77-миот поред македонски отворен голф турнир.
Драги македонци и наши пријатели, во нашето студио се наоѓаат Джордж Марку, председателот на Канадско-македонскиот дом, и Алекс Мишов, член на управата при домот. Алекс исто така е дел од комитетот за годишниот голф турнир. This year, George, marks the 77th anniversary of the Macedonian Open Golf Tournament. It's a great feat, actually.
Bill, thank you. First off, let me just thank you for having both Alex and I on the program yet once again, and for all your support throughout the years with the program. And yes, the 77th year of the golf tournament, a great testament to not only the original founders, the Van Petrovs of the time, the Bob Petrovs, his son, going on to the Beto family for all their support, and the entire community, followed by Stanley Thomas, by taking this over for the last quarter century. All proceeds are going towards the Canadian Macedonian Place Foundation and the home itself. And we're just thrilled to be part of such a wonderful event for the entire Macedonian community.
Alex, the event this year is going to be on Tuesday, July 9th at Station Creek Golf Club in Gormley. Tell our viewers more about the golf course and the location.
Yeah, we moved it about 3 or 4 years ago, Bill, and this really helps us because it accommodates, we like to have about 288 golfers. And so the seating accommodates that. Room is for 300 people or so, which is fabulous. And it's a little north of the city, so it's a lot more accessible for people. And we've just really enjoyed our time there.
You do a great job, of course, along with George in the organizing of this event, and there's many others on the golf committee, I'm sure, that do a great job. And the activities begin at 10 in the morning. But you guys are there probably at 6 or 7, I'm guessing.
Well, I'll let you know, the night before, Zlatka and I are at Station Creek setting everything up. We spend the whole day the night before, late into the night, and then the next morning, you're right, we arrive there at about 7 in the morning to make sure everything runs smoothly. And to earlier point, George is right. It's been 27 years. It'll be the 27th year that Stan Thomas and the committee took over from Mr. Petrov. So that's quite an accomplishment.
Beginning at 10 a.m., the registration will take place. Then there's going to be a barbecue lunch beginning at 11 till 12:15. And then the games begin. The golf tourney begins at 12:30 with a shotgun start. George, this year's participation, are you hoping to get more people this year? Because I think you almost sold out last year.
Yeah, we were close to sell out last year, Bill. And we're hoping for the same, and if not more, this year. We've got some special arrangements done to attract some more youth. And again, if I may, at this point in time, just kind of appeal to our entire community that this is such a wonderful event. As you mentioned before, it's we've hosted it for 77 years. It's Canada's largest charity golf tournament that we know of, and the future of the golf tournament needs to be participated by a lot of people, dedicated people, and people of the younger generation. So I asked the audience, our entire Macedonian community and our audience, to reach out to their children, their grandchildren, their nieces and nephews, and work on our behalf as well to promote this special event. It's something that the youth can meet new people, reacquaint themselves with past relatives or friends, and network within the community itself. And we're really hoping that with the youth and new people joining the tournament each and every year, they'll be our new ambassadors, or our next ambassadors to continue this on for another 77 years.
And we have a special price bill for the young people, so 17 and under for $95, so it's a great value.
There's great value for everyone else as well. At 5:30, there's going to be a cocktail, a dinner, auction, lottery, gifts. Of course, we mentioned earlier that there is the barbecue Macedonian lunch. And it's really a great atmosphere for, as George mentioned, for the Macedonian community to reacquaint itself, but also to forge new ties, whether that be in friendship or business.
And you know what? We're always trying to make it better. So we just met the other night, and we're doing something different this year for the dinner. We're actually going to have a pig roast. So we're going to have 2 pig roast stations, and so and rather than having your meal served to you, it's going to be a buffet style. So there are going to be 2 different pig roast carving stations, and people will be able to get up and serve themselves chicken and sausage and all the zelnik and piperki and all that great stuff. And then they'll go to the carving station and help themselves to a slice of the pig as well. So we're very excited about that new little wrinkle to it.
And of course, Macedonian beans. Of course, I can't forget the gra. Or some people call it bop. Some people call it fasul. From different regions of Macedonia, we have many different names for the same item, as in many languages. George, tell us more about the Canadian Macedonian Place activities since you've taken over, and what is upcoming this year. I understand there's going to be an event later this year in honor of Canadian Macedonian Place's 40th anniversary.
Yeah, well, thanks for mentioning that, Bill. Aside from the fact that we've talked about some numbers today, 77th annual for the golf tournament itself. However, June the 17th of this year, just in a short while from now, the Canadian Macedonian Place will celebrate its 40th anniversary from when the doors actually open. So once again, we at Canadian Macedonian Place are still very, very excited about the home. We're strong as ever as a community. Our tenants are all extremely happy, and got a great staff, great board, and we will be having an event coming up in the fall of this year to celebrate the 40th anniversary of the home itself. That's from an external perspective. Internally, again, we've got celebrations, monthly celebrations for the tenants' birthdays. We have art classes. We've got a numerous number of activities for the tenants, and we're just looking forward to continuing that, and working with the tenants and the board to make things better each and every day and each and every month.
Alex, малку на македонски сега, ти си попотекло од село Арменско, но македонци од цела Македонија, целокупна Македонија ќе дојдат на овој настан, ќе дојдат од Македонија, Република Македонија, од јужниот дел на Македонија, источниот дел на Македонија, Пирин, Егеј и Мала Преспа и Голо Брдо и други места. Нели е важно македонците од сите делови на Македонија да дојдат заеднички, да бидат на овој реномиран најстар етнички голф турнир во Канада?
That's right, Bill. And that's another very good point you bring up. Македонци, doesn't matter od koje selo si, da dojte, koji grad, doesn't matter. That's the beauty. Even the board itself, even the golf committee, ima ljudi od Buf, ima od Trsije, ima od Prespa, ima od Sekave, and that's the beautiful thing. We're one big happy family, and we're working towards a good cause for Canadian Macedonian Place, and this celebration of all the Macedonians together at this golf tournament. So even if you don't play golf, come on out, bring your friends and relatives, and enjoy the camaraderie of the Macedonian community, and enjoy the beautiful day.
George, do you have a message for Macedonians and our friends at the end of today's interview?
Well, I'm going to echo Alex's sentiments. We're a group of people that, fortunately or unfortunately, over time, have geographically been separated, but in unison, we're all one. And again, to your earlier question to Alex, a lot has transpired over years, and we're not a political organization by any stretch of the imagination, nor will we ever be. However, we are Macedonian, and we encourage all of Macedonians, young and old, to come out, friends of Macedonia to come out as well, and just have a great day, and just stay united for today and into the future.
Драги македонци и наши пријатели, 77-миот поред македонски отворен голф турнир ќе се одржи во вторник на 9 јули кај Station Creek Golf Club во Гормли. За информации јавете се на 416-755-9231. Thank you so much for coming today.
Thank you for having
Thank you,
us.
Bill.